This is Biotronix PEMT Loop Therapy device. You can see Pulsed Electromagnetic Field Therapy device. You can see our device looks like that. And why loop therapy? Because the attachment that comes with the device for the pulse electromagnetic field is in the loop form. You can see this is the double loop. You can see the area placed between the loop will get the magnetic field. So the joint like knee and other can be used in the same. And this is in the loop form. That is why the PEMT loop therapy. So this is the double loop and this is the single loop. You can see this is the single loop. So you can see single loop is larger in area. So if I use the same on my shoulder joint like this, I can use the same on my cervical like this, and on the back also, and on the other joint you can use. So that is quite bigger in size. This is the single loop, bigger area covering loop, and dual loop I have already shown. So now I will, you can see this is the loop carry box. You can see like a briefcase. So you can put the loop inside the same, and both the loops can be same inside. Put the inside the same. So now I will show you the device. You can see the device is quite portable, like a briefcase. So you can. This is like briefcase only. You are having the handle, this handle, you are having the side handle, and you can see from the back side you can adjust, and there are wheels at the back side. So now you can see you can move the same like a briefcase. So this is the advanced device which can be moved easily. The weight of the device is 15 to 18 kg. Because that's a magneto device, so weight will, there will be weight in the portable device also. Magneto itself is 45 to 50 kg. So you can see to move this weighted device, we are manufacturing the same in the form of briefcase. So now you can see Biotronix is importing the same, and you can see this is Biotronix device, and you can see this is everything is mentioned, the instruction you need to follow before operating the device is mentioned on the same. You need to read the first, follow the same, then operate the device. I will also share some important instruction while providing the demo of this. So you can see this is the front panel section. These are the two fans. These are the main code plugging socket, and this is the switch. This is the fuse, and this is the loop plugging terminals, and this is the panel where you can, this is the touch panel. You have the section of intensity. You can place the same between 1 to 5. 1 is the minimum, 5 is the maximum. 1 and 2 is quite enough for the normal joints like shoulder and all, and 5 for the bigger joints and all. And frequency you have pulse, as this is pulse electromagnetic field. So the pulse frequency you get 2 Hz, 4 Hz, 6 Hz, 8 Hz, MF. So MF is the combination of all the frequency in multiple frequencies. So it will keep on rotating between 2, 8 and so on and so on. The timer section is 5 to 10. Now I will operate the device, and I will show you the demo of the device. So now you can see I'm taking that dual loop. You can see this is the dual loop, and now I will operate the same. So before using the same, first the instruction is very clear. You need to plug in the loop in terminal first, not the main code. If you will put the main code and on it, switch it on, and you will put the terminal, you may get electric shock from it. First, place the terminals. I will place the same like this. These are the color. You need to match the color. You need to match the dot on the same, pointer on the same, or you need to press. You will get the sound click, and the same is plugging. Match the color, match the point, dot, and then so the same has been inserted now, and now I will insert the main code. So I have inserted the main code. Now I will show the demo of the device, and I will show you the demo of the device. I will show you the demo of the same. Now I will place my my thighs between the two applicators. You can see I have placed the same between the same. Now I will start the same. Increase the intensity. Increase the intensity. You can see the muscles of my thighs between this magnetic loop. You can see they are moving. Here, you can see the movement. I am just zooming it in. You can see the movement. You can see the movement. All the muscles are moving. Yeah, watch. Now I will increase the frequency. You can see feel the movement more. You see all the muscles of my thighs are moving. Frequency I will put 4 now. You can see the movement. Every muscle over that area, inside that area is moving. Indicative. The movement. You can see how my muscles are moving between this magnetic field. So the quite effective strong magnetic field which can move bigger muscles as well as the smaller muscles. Where the intensity is 5, for the smaller muscle I will put the lesser intensity. So I hope the same can be very informative to you, and I have explained everything. And you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, or you can call us or visit our website or email us for inquiry and everything. We are importing the same, and we are providing you the best prices we can offer. Thank you for watching.